Chinny Jam Kitchen. As we have been a vibe tonight, yeah, we say a roast fish I do it. So stay tuned and watch what we're doing right now. First thing, we're going to prepare the stuffing for the fish. So we did prepare our stuffing almost. So first thing we go add garlic. You know, garlic does give it a nice flavor. Yeah. Our season, natural season. We have some okra, as you know, okra does all that of things, especially tomato. We have some spinach here. We Jamaican call it kalaloo. Yeah, people, if you smell how this smell right now, boy. We have some shred carrot. We add stir. The funny beauty. You know what in the Jam Kitchen I do it. Then we have Maggi noodle soup. You know what Maggi I do it too. Stir. So people, you know, we can't cook it too soft because we have to put it back on the pan for process it. So stay tuned. When we come back, we'll show you how we stuff in the fish. Yeah guys, welcome back. Are you ready? Our stuffing for fish here. We're going and start to show you how I season our fish. This is our Maggi. I just like when time I take my time and space out the fish, some seasoning. Apply. I want my fish to taste good, so I just go in and out with it. Guys, you can try it too, you know, because I'm sure you will enjoy it, because sometimes you just feel like a little different thing. So first thing to prevent the fish from stick, with buttered grease fire paper before I fry fish. Right. Butter. You know, we don't want too much of oil thing now. We did lose less oil. Stuffing. Guys, when you don't eat this, you don't really want nothing inside it because the stuffing inside is already nice. Guys, this is real delicious. When you try it, you will. Yeah, people. Still a stuffed fish because you know we don't want when we start eat fish done quick. So still a stuffed fish, yeah. You know a Jamaican and all over style. Fish I do eat people tonight. You know, fish and have protein, plus the callaloo and plus the okra. All combined, nothing here we're unhealthy. People watch carefully, you know. And I want when you do it, when you try it, taste the same way how this go taste. I'm sorry I can't reach everybody to make them taste it. You know how the thing set. I want to share it, the thing with everybody too, you know. You know, see what me I say? Yeah, man, everybody deserves to know what I'm going. You know, some people use a carrot and whatever, but tonight we are use spinach. Yeah, man. Step on the last one, you know. I plenty chili jam had to introduce it to, you know. But we have to take it one step at a time, as you know how things set, man. But don't miss it. Yeah, people, don't watch the fish, rapid fish them, ready to take some heat, and you know, eat after. Go and watch it play now. Yeah, man. So, just stay tuned. You go see where we is finishing when we're done. And remember, watch, like, and subscribe. Yeah, guys. You know, time for the heat. Time for the heat. You know, just now eating time. Watch, time for go on the grill now. Now one. Watch the beauty of the thing. Yeah, man. I shouldn't jam do it. You don't know. Stay tuned. You go see when I eating time. I show you if she was here. Stay tuned, people. One love. You know, Chine Jam Kitchen I do it right here so tonight. This is how it look. When we have it on the pan, turn over. Well, as you could see, it's ready. Ready to eat, people. Ready to eat. Right? So let me show you the finishing of our roast fish, Chine Jam style. Stay tuned. Guys, this is the finishing of our roast fish. Let me show you the finishing. And don't talk about inside. Well cooked, ready to eat. As I say, our okra. When I cook, I was always taste it first. So let's taste. Try. And remember, subscribe and likes. Touching it down kitchen. Let me taste it. Guys, it's so nice. I can't stop to taste this. I want you to taste this. Stay tuned to Chine Jam Kitchen.